How to share a document in Microsoft Word app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily share your document in your Microsoft Word app with others. First of all, launch the Microsoft Word app on your smartphone and log in. Now go ahead and open up one of the documents you want to share from your home page. After you open up the document, go ahead and click on the Share button at the bottom, which looks like a small arrow facing upwards under a small tab. After you tap on that, you'll open up the Share menu where you need to go ahead and choose the sharing method. Method 1 is inviting people. First of all, tap the Invite People button and then allow necessary access such as your contacts if you haven't. And now tap the plus button at the top right and select one of your contacts you'd like to share the document with. Another method is by sharing via link. Tap on Copy Link button under Share and choose whether you'd like anyone you share the link with can view or edit the document that you share. I'm just gonna select View Only. And after you do that, you'll be retrieving a link for sharing. After you receive the link, you can then go ahead and send the link via email, social messaging applications, etc. If you choose View and Edit, and after you share the link to the contact, they'll be able to view your document as well as edit it. So that's how you easily share your document on Microsoft Word using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.